Today it's mental math. Our lesson is multiply multiples of 10. And what we will do today, by the end of this session, we will be able to solve questions like these. 20 multiplied by 70, 70 multiplied by 90. Of course, this is the first time for us to multiply two digits by two digits. So that's what we will do. And now let's start our session by starting with this example on page 172. So everyone, open your books, page 172. Okay. In this example, the number of visitors of each age group for the sunny day amusement park are shown below. How many adults under 65 visit the park in 20 days? Let's see down here. As you can see, these are the tickets for 65 under 65, and these are the tickets for adults 65 and over, and these are the tickets for children. As you can see here, the question is asking about under 65, adults under 65, which is under 65, which is 60. And in how many days? In 20 days. And there's another question here: how many children visit the park in 30 days? So the children are 80, and this 80 will repeat in 30 times. For each day 80, the first day 80, the second day 80, so it's multiplication. And the last question: how many adults 65 and over visited the park in 50 days? So we have also adults over 65 and over, which is, the number is 40 in one day, and the question asks about in 50 days. So we will multiply 40 times 50. So for the first one, please do not use your mics. For the first one, we will multiply 20 days, and the number is 60. The number of tickets for adults under 65 is 60. Okay, and we need to find the answer to this. So A here, this letter A, this is something we call unknown, something we need to find. Okay, so what we need to find? We need to find 20 multiplied by 60. To multiply 20 by 60, we can use this method. And focus with me, because next time I will not do the same. So we know that 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. What about 20 multiplied by 60? Just add the extra 0, the red 0, so 120. And this time I will put a new 0 for the 6. It will be 60, the green one. So now I have already 120, and add the extra green 0, so it will be 1200. So 20 multiplied by 60 equals 1200. So the value of A, which we call the unknown, the thing that we don't know, we need to find that thing. That number is 1200. Now we know this number. Now it's not unknown anymore. We know it. So the number of adults under 65 in 20 days is 1200. The same for the next part. We have 3 parts in the question, remember? The second part: how many children visited the park in 30 years? As you can see here, the number of the number of tickets is 80 in one day. So we will multiply 30 times 80. And how to do this? We will do the same, but this time I will do it quickly. How to do this quickly? We have the number of zeros here, the total number of zeros. We have 1 0, which is the red 0 for 30, and 1 0, which is the green 0 for the 80. And when we multiply 3 by 8, it's 24. So 24 and extra 2 zeros. So we have 1 red 0 and 1 green 0. So for the product, for the answer, we will use 2 zeros. So it's 24 and add 2 extra zeros. So the C, which is this time 30 multiplied by 80 equals C, we need to find C. So C is 2,400. And the same for the last one. We will multiply 50, which is the number of days. Go back for the question. The number of days, 50. And the number of tickets for adults 65 and over, which is 40. So multiply 50 by 40. Okay. Now 5 multiply 4 is 20. This time focus, because we have 0 in 20. We have 0 already. So when we add this red 0 and this green 0, we will have now 3 zeros. 1 for 20 and 1 which is the red one, and 1 which is the green one with 40. So guys, I have 0 and 2 extra zeros. So the number here is 2,000. Okay. Now let's go down in the same page, and you will find this question. Write the missing number for each of the following. And he wants us to explain. We can explain this oral, and we will write the answer. Okay. Okay, I will pick one of my heroes to help me. This is 4A.
Teacher, I will say to you something.
Yes, this is my thumb.
No, Muhammad Al-Shab'an.
Yes, Muhammad. Go ahead.
Yesterday, you said I will answer the question, but I didn't yesterday, so...
Okay, of course. I'm recording.
Can I answer the first question?
Okay. I know who answered yesterday. Okay. Abdullah Al-Utaybi?
Yeah, teacher.
Yes, Abdullah. In this one, we have here, write the missing number. Okay. So the first one, can you read it? Space multiplied by 7 equals?
Yeah.
280. So what do you think we should multiply by 7 to give 280? At first, how to think?
40.
40. Great. Can you tell us why? The reason?
Because the 4
Yes, 4 multiplied by 7 equals?
equals 8.
Okay, I will explain this for you. Thank you, my hero. I will explain it. So here we have 7. So 7 multiplied by what gives 28? 7 multiplied by 4. But I have here 0. This 0. So from where do we get this 0? Of course it is with the 4 here. So I should write here 0. So it's 40 multiplied by 7. Great work, Abdullah. And let's move to the next one. Space multiplied by 4 equals 1,600. And Thamir?
Yes, mister.
Yes, my hero. Okay, how to think again? We are thinking first with the numbers. Okay, we know that this 0, we will put it.
يلا المرة الثانية لطيفة.
And now I have this number 16 and extra 2 zeros. At first 4 multiplied by what gives 16?
ممتازة. إذا انتهت من صنع أول عقد واستعملت فيه
Yes,
12.
Tamer, there is noise around you, so I can't hear you.
أيوة يعني
تامر.
عندها الخيط 8
Give the answer.
راحت وسوت أول عقد منها. طيب أول عقد هذا كم
Tamer,
طوله؟
thank you.
طوله
Thank you,
12
Tamer, I can't
سنتيمتر.
hear you.
إذا
And please try to solve the problem of the sound near you, because you can't share in noise. Abdurrahman Anwar. Abdurrahman Anwar.
Yes.
Yes, Abdurrahman. I asked your friend 4 multiplied by what gives 16. Consider this question. 4 multiplied by what gives 16? Yes? Yes, Abdurrahman.
Yes, yes.
You didn't answer. 4 multiplied by what? Answer this red one. Abdurrahman, do not mute your mic. Abdurrahman, stay with me. Abdurrahman, this is not good, so I will take someone else and you will get a note. Adam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, my hero. Now I asked your friend a question. 4 multiplied by what gives 16?
4 times 4 equals
Great.
16.
Excellent. Now this is the first digit that we will write here. 4. And we have a 0 in here in 40. Right?
Yes,
And
sir.
we have here 2 zeros, not 1 0. So what should we write here in this space?
40.
Excellent. We will write another 0 to be 40. You are truly a hero. Thank you, Adam. Ahmed Wael.
Yeah.
Okay. Ahmed, can you think what should we write in this place to get 3,000 here? Yes.
At first, we're gonna see what the two numbers to give us.
Great. To get us 3, can we get 3 from 5? 5 multiplied something gives 3? No, no way.
Yeah, of course.
So it's 30, not 3. So space multiplied by 5 to give 30, not 3.
Okay.
So what multiplied by 5 gives 30?
6.
Great.
But we have
And-
here 0, so gonna be 60.
Excellent. So let's explain this to your friends. We have 3 zeros. One of these zeros is for 30
For
because we have
30.
already 0 before. And we have 2 extra zeros. One of them is written here with 50. So the other
five.
one we should write. So we should write the second with the 6. Great work, Ahmed. You are truly a hero. Thank you, my hero.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's move to the next page. Write the answer quickly. You have 10 seconds. And now let's move to the next page. Before we start solving questions, we need to see this example. We have here this example, another one. Find 30 multiplied by 80. And it's written here that the product has the same number of zeros as both factors. So we will see how many zeros do we have in both factors. Okay, we can do this using commutative property. Okay, I will underline this so you can see it. Do you remember what is commutative? Commutative, this one, which we use for 2 multiplied by 3 equal 3 multiplied by 2. This is commutative. Okay, and another property which is associative property. What about associative property? In associative property, we multiply, if we have 3 numbers to multiply, we can multiply 2 numbers, and after that multiply the third. If we have 4 numbers, we can multiply them 2 numbers together and 2 numbers together, and after that multiply the products. So let's start explaining this. 30 is 3 multiplied by 10, and 80 is 8 multiplied by 10. And using commutative, we can change places. I will get this 8 here, this place, and get the 10 in this place. Change places. So it's 3, and the second one now is not 10, it's 8. And the third one will be 10, and the fourth one 10. So 3 multiply 8 multiply 10 multiply 10. And what about associative? The associative property, this one, this property, we use it by using this, these brackets. And what do we mean by these brackets? We mean that we will multiply 3 by 8 together and multiply 10 by 10 together. These two together and these two together. So 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. So 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. And of course 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100. So this 100 is 410 multiplied by 10. Okay. And now the last step, when you multiply 24 by 100, you just multiply 24 times 1, which is 24, and add 2 extra zeros. And I have here 2 zeros, so I will write the 2 zeros. It will be 2400. Okay. Now I think you can understand it, and let's move to the next practice to see if we can get the main idea or not. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I will go down here and we will solve question number 9 to question number 16, these questions. So we will solve now this part. Okay, I will use the color here. We are solving this, my heroes, and the hero that will help me with the first one is Ali Saleh. Ali Saleh. Okay. Abdulaziz Maher.
Teacher.
Who's this?
Mahdi.
I didn't ask for Mahdi. I'm asking for Abdulaziz Maher.
Yesterday I didn't answer.
Okay, Mahdi, I know, of course. Abdulaziz Maher is not here. Abdurrahman.
No, Mister, I'm here.
Okay. This is Abdulaziz?
Yes.
Okay, my hero. And now, go ahead. Who's this? This is Ali? Okay.
No, this is Moha.
Okay, yes. There's someone else using the mic, I think. Okay, Abdulaziz, the first one. Okay, who's this?
2 times 7 equal
Yes.
Equal 14.
Great. So this is 14. And how many extra zeros?
2.
Excellent. Can you read the answer?
1,400.
Great work, my hero. Thank you. Thank you, my hero. Mute your mic.
You're welcome.
Ibrahim Zamami.
I'm here.
Yes,
Mister.
Ibrahim, go ahead. Question number 10.
Se- seven- 70 multiply 90
Yep.
equals 6,300.
Yes, 63 and extra 2 zeros. Excellent, my hero. You are truly a hero. Thank you. Let's move to the next hero. And Laith. Laith Al-Hajji.
Yes.
Yes, Laith, go ahead.
40 multiply 20.
Yes, start 4 multiply 2 first.
4 multiply 2 equals 8.
Great. And how many extra zeros?
2.
Great. So the answer should be
800.
excellent. Thank you, my hero. Great work. محمد الشخص. محمد زكي.
موجود.
Yes, Muhammad. 40 multiplied by 30.
1,200.
Great. Excellent. So 4 multiplied 3 is 12. And we have 2 extra zeros. So it's 1,200. Great work, my hero. Thank you. And let's move to the next question. And okay, this one is Saleh. Saleh Khalid.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Saleh, go ahead. 70 multiplied by 40. 7 multiply 4 first.
28.
Excellent. And how many extra zeros?
2.
Great. So the answer is, can you read the number?
2,800.
Great work. Thank you, my hero. And let's move to the next question. This one, Abdulaziz Abbad. Abdulaziz Sami. Okay. Hussein Al-Hamad.
Yes, Mister.
Yes,
I am
my
here.
this is Hussein, right?
Yes.
Go ahead. Question 14.
20 multiply 30.
Yep.
2 multiply 3 6.
And
0 multiply 0.
no. No. We add the extra zeros. We don't multiply. We do not multiply the zeros.
We add 2 0.
Yes, 2 zeros. You're right. So the answer is
And the answer 600.
great work, my hero. Thank you. Muhammad Shaban.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Muhammad. The next question.
6 multiply 4 equals 24, and we add the extra zero, so the answer will be 2,400.
Wow, this is a star. Thank you. Great work.
It's me.
Guys, do not use your mics. You know that I will ask my heroes to answer. Nader.
I'm here.
Yes, Nader. Go ahead.
Multiply 9, 54, add 2 zeros, 5,400.
Wow. Great work. Okay, my heroes, if you don't answer today and yesterday, so you will answer the next session. And this is not new for you. You know that each time I cannot make all of you to answer at the same session. So now I've finished my explanation and we will go to the game. So finish writing quickly. I need to stop sharing my screen and send to you the link. So quickly please finish writing.